It's bark bag time. So if you want to see what Bandit's got, I know he does, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This is Bandit. He's scruffy. He needs a haircut. And this is his bark bag. So they are now doing a bag in order to not raise their prices, which I can appreciate. I don't need a bag. I need a box. What is in here, baby? Can you smell it? Can you smell? Sneak peek? What's the thing? Who's taking a sneak peek? Hold on. All right, what do we got? We have a squeak and slice combo. Okay, well, he's busy with that. We have this arcade Ollie. It has squeaker, crinkles. You want to see arcade Ollie? Yes, he does. And we have the high score snake. So this looks like an arcade theme. Maybe it's the Barkade. You want to see this? You want to see this? Go get it. All right, and here was that first thing. You got a slice and a cup soda. And squeakers in both, and crinkles. Maybe I can get the tag off of this one. All right, so Bandit doesn't get treats because of his diet. He gets 3 toys instead. I keep saying I should switch it back for the other dogs. I haven't yet, of course. It's been kind of low on my priority list, but I might do that soon. But let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell for Bandit. He loves the attention. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.